Today we're making Tiropitakia, Greek cheese triangles. Start with 600 grams halloumi, grate him up and put one bowl. 600 grams Greek feta, crumble him. Now 600 grams anari and crumble him also. One bunch fresh meat, chop him up finely. Put him here also. Half a teaspoon black pepper, whisk him up 6 Greek eggs. And put him inside. Massage him very good and combine everything properly. Get 2 packets filo pastry and cut them up into 3 pieces. Take one out, cover these ones with a wet tea towel. Take one sheet, put some melted butter. Take one more sheet and put him the top. Put some more butter at the top. Take one scoop your mix and put the filo. For the first corner, go straight. After we're going right, straight. Now left, straight. And one more right. Easy. When he's look like this, keep going. Put some butter at the top and start to preheat the oven 160 degrees Celsius till it's golden. Roughly 15 minutes, she's done. It's bloody beautiful, mate.